Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology Java full stack developer. The company Capgemini. The location is Bangalore. The second technology is backend developer. The company Espire Consultant. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or related to verification. Minimum 3 to 7 years of experience in a backend web development using JavaScript-based technologies is required. And you can send your resumes to this email ID. The email ID will be given in the video description. The third technology is Drupal developer for the company industrial support services. The location is Chennai. It's a full-time job and they're looking for Drupal developer, should have good experience in Drupal and PHP and should have technical knowledge as well and minimum 2 to 4 years of experience in Drupal. The fourth technology is lead Java developer. The company is Sysmedac. The location is Bangalore. They're looking for 5 to 6 years of experience candidate. The location is Chennai, Bangalore. And the essential skills must be experience with Java 8 plus and Spring Boot and data structures is required. And the desired skills must be ability to share knowledge and collaborate with well within a team. Experience in DevOps principles is required. And the fifth technology is Java full stack developer for the company Gainwell. The location is Bangalore. The basic requirements are basic knowledge, like bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics, or related field with 5 plus years of experience in full stack design and development of application involving Java technologies such as Spring MVC, Spring Boot is required. And the links will be given in the video description, so that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.